Guys, Eddie from Harlembling. Today, I'm going to take you into my life, well, really, the life of my staff, and we're going to do a few orders. So, when an order comes in on the website, it goes into a portal we use called ShipStation. As you guys can see, in the last 24 hours, we have about 488 orders to fulfill. And this gives me the item as well as the shipping speed you select. From here, we go onto the shelves, get the item, package it up, ship it to you guys. A lot of other websites, what they will do is they will go onto Alibaba and they simply order the item and drop ship it to you. The problem with that is that it takes a very long time and there's no quality control. We have the items in our physical possession. We can control the shipping speed as well as the quality. So let's get this order ready. This is a Moissanite chain and a pendant. Order up for the customer and ship it out. So over here we have the pendants, and my team always switches it all up, but this is the Moissanite pendant that was ordered. Now let's get the chain. So we have the pendant and we have the chain. Now what I do is I want to look at it, make sure there's no missing stones, there's no imperfections. Again, quality control happens really at the factory, but this is the last step, is for me to visually look at the piece. This one looks great. Put it in its packaging. Now let's look at the rope chain the customer ordered. This is the Moissanite rope chain, 7.5 millimeter. We examine it, make sure there's no missing stones, no imperfections. The clasp works well, but honestly, I've never had issues with these items. And now that I see it's a good product. This particular customer ordered overnight shipping. So this is a fairly large order. Flat rate envelope, and we will put signature confirmation. Get an envelope just like this. Pop it in. Pop in the two boxes. Throw in a few stickers. 2 jewelry cleaning cloths, GRA certificates. This is now ready to be shipped out to the customer. This is overnight express mail, so hopefully CE, you will get your package tomorrow or maybe Monday. Until next time, Eddie from Harlembling.